This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Android updated and a recent backup, because changes can conflict with old system behaviors. First, disable radios you don't need. Bluetooth, NFC, and location drain power constantly, turn them off when idle. Once done, enable adaptive battery to let the system limit rarely used apps. Make sure to restrict background activity for high-drain apps. This reduces wake locks. You now have immediate savings and a foundation for deeper optimization. Next, focus on the biggest consumer, apps and the display. You should review battery usage and uninstall or disable apps that top the list, because background syncs and services keep the CPU active. Then, lower screen brightness and set a short screen timeout. 60 to 90 seconds saves significant power. Where supported, use dark theme and pick a lower refresh rate or resolution to cut GPU load. Make sure to limit location accuracy and background sync intervals for mail and social apps. Finish by applying advanced measures. Enable battery saver and schedule it to kick in at 15 or 30% because it throttles CPU and network usage for real gains. You should also reduce sync frequency for email and cloud apps and disable auto updates on mobile data to avoid unexpected drain. Finally, monitor behavior over 48 hours. If something breaks or battery drops, reboot into safe mode and reset the specific app's permissions or settings. This isolates the cause and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.